Hello my dear students, welcome to your science class. Today we are going to start a new chapter called From Tasting to Digesting. So let's begin. Look at all the different types of food. Isn't your mouth watering just by looking at all of them? Yes, all these food are quite tasty, isn't it? Today, the first thing we are going to learn is about taste. There are four basic tastes and they are sweet, salty, bitter and sour. Now let's see some examples of sweet tasting foods. Examples are ice cream, cake and candy. Which one is your favorite, children? The next taste is salty. Some examples of salty foods are pickle, popcorn and chips. Then we have the third taste, that is sour. Some examples of sour tasting foods are lemon, tamarind and curd. The last basic taste is called bitter. Examples of bitter tasting foods are bitter gourd, coffee and neem leaves. Now that you have seen all the four basic tastes, I am going to tell you about the fifth taste. It is known as umami. You are probably new to this taste. I'll tell you some examples to understand the taste of umami. Examples are tomato, meat and fish. The taste of umami is quite different from the four basic tastes. Now let's learn about digestion. The process by which the complex food we take changes into simple, soluble form and energy is released is known as digestion. As you know, digestion begins in the mouth. In our mouth, when we chew our food is mixed with a fluid called saliva. Saliva moistens and softens our food. It also breaks down the carbohydrates. You have all heard your parents asking you to chew your food well before swallowing it. Do you know why? When you chew your food properly, it helps to break down the food and this will improve the digestion process. If you are swallowing the food without chewing properly, it will lead to many diseases and indigestion. Now let's learn about tongue. Tongue has mainly two functions. They are it helps us in tasting the food and it helps us to speak. Look at the picture of the tongue, children. Do you see the tiny bumps on the tongue? These tiny bumps are called the taste buds. The tiny bumps present on the surface of the tongue helps us to taste the food. Now let's learn to label the different parts of the tongue. You have learned the four basic tastes and these taste buds are distributed into different areas of the tongue. The back portion of your tongue has the bitter taste and on the side you have the sour taste, and also on the side the blue portion marked gives you the salty taste. And finally, on the front or the tip of the tongue, you have the sweet taste. Do you know why you cannot taste food properly when you have a cold? I will tell you why. Our sense of smell and taste are interlinked. During cold, our nose is blocked and we do not get the aroma or the flavor of the food. Therefore, We cannot taste food properly when we have a cold. I hope you have all understood today's topic. Please write your notes that I sent to you later after the video. I'll see you next class. Until then, stay safe. Thank you and bye.